I've never used this platform before, and I have 20 days to build something worth $10,000. So this is day one of me using Relevance AI. Like I mentioned in my last video, there's a hackathon going on. There's $10,000 on the line. I have until the end of October, today is October 13th, to build something to enter into this hackathon and potentially win the prize money. If you want the full breakdown of all of that, just check out my previous video. That'll give you context on what it is, how you can join if you want to, and what I'm planning to do here. So like I mentioned in that video, I'm planning to build an agent here who helps me make my AI video ads for brands, right? Again, I've never used this platform before. I did make my account last week and they accepted me into the hackathon and upgraded my account. Okay, you can see right here it says custom plan. Normally when you sign up it says free plan, but for the hackathon they have a custom plan. Comes with like just a few benefits. So getting started here. When you log into your account, you are greeted with the marketplace. Apparently the marketplace is new. So you can see there's some agents here that cost money, 99 cents. And this looks like it's from other users. You see some of them from Relevance AI themselves. Some of them are free. So you have this image generator, multi-platform workforce, calendar booking scheduler. So let's see, content creation, because that is the agent that I want to build. So I see video generator, 5-second duration, merge MP4 video clips into one single clip. That's cool. Let me see. I'm gonna open this in a new tab. And by the way, guys, if you hear any background noise, please bear with me. There's construction going on nearby, so that you might hear that sometimes. Let me just open these different ones that are kind of related to what I want to build, because again, what I want to build is like just an agent to help me with all the different parts of my video creation process. So from research, scripting, breaking the script down, coming up with different scenes, coming up with the AI characters, coming up with thumbnails if needed. Let's see what they have here. So merge video clips into a single video clip. You'll get back URL to raw video file. Okay, 8 users. Merge for video clips. So I can clone this, and this, by the way, is one of the categories to win in the hackathon. Is the more people that clone your agent, that's at least one of the criterias that contribute to a winning agent for the hackathon. So okay, so I thought it would let me, okay, this one is more descriptive, because I was gonna say I thought it would let me see more details about these different agents, which this one does. So let me see, what is this, like examples? Multiplayer AI team that thinks together, right? A 2,000 word. I mean, this looks like just the workflow. So this is the prompt, obviously, and like the process this is the process that the agent goes through to get everything done. That's what this looks like here. The thought process or chain of thought. Generate the final image. This is just an example of what the agent can do. 2 users. Okay, pretty cool. All right, so it looks like these are probably some newer agents. Voila, video image to video generator. Make the dog bark. Okay. New strat. I was gonna look at these for inspiration, but you know what? New strategy. Let me just go ahead and start a new agent. Why not? Let me go agents. Default phone knowledge. Let's try default. I'm gonna call this AI clone. I'm gonna call this AI clone video agent. Oh, you can even edit the little thumbnail. I'm gonna randomly click this. Okay, whatever. Model. Hold up. Performance optimized model. Pick for me. Cost optimized model. So I can pick from a number of different models here, which is good to know. Cut 2.5 flashlight. So what? This can output. This should be able to output what? Images, right? let's see, open router. Okay, so there's a number of different, I can use Vertex inside of that. Vertex, because I have a Vertex API key already. I mean, I have an OpenAI API key, I have a API key, I have a Gemini API. I have API keys for almost all of these already, but if I could use I didn't know I could use Vertex in here. That's pretty cool. Because Vertex is what I use right now to actually generate my AI videos. But I don't see VO3 in the list. And I don't really see any of the image and video generation models in here, but let's see, supported file types. So I don't know if it should be able to generate because I saw some of them in the examples, right? Okay, so for now, I'm gonna just stick to the default performance optimized model. And let's close that. Okay. So, I think what I should do is try to wireframe a bit first, right? So, all right, let's take some time to wireframe and figure out what it is I really want to do, because that'll help me focus on the specific task that I want to get done so that I can get the agent to do that part and then move on to the next one, build out this part. All right. So I can put text in this. So the first thing I would need is my script, right? Now I normally do competitor research, swipe a script, and then rewrite it in my own style, in my own format. Let's call this script rewriter. Let's call that the script rewriter. Then I need a script or a scene breakdown. So what I do, script writer to actually rewrite the script, then the scene breakdown, where I take each line and I break it down by scenes. So the first line of the script, scene 1, describe that, break that down. Line 2, scene 2, break that down, and so on. So that's part of what I do with the script. A line by line scene generator, and I could probably use something before that, which I would need, which is a character generator. So before I generate the line by line scene images, I need the character to actually put in the scene, right? So this is kind of a breakdown of the first 4 steps. There are more steps though, so let's continue adding these circles here. Then I want let's put image to differentiate that. Then let's put scene video generator with line. So this is where the character says their line in the video. And then after that, all I need to do is save the video, save the generated video with correct name. From there, all I do is edit it, and then I do the audio and everything like that afterwards. But this part of the process usually takes a while when I do it manually. So this is basically what I want the agent to do. So all of this here is basically what I want the agent to do. So rewrite the script that I give it, break down the scene line by line, generate the characters for it, generate the scene images line by line, then generate the scene video from each image, then save those and name them correctly so I know what I'm looking at. And then I can just come, open the folder, import it into CapCut, edit it, and then when I need audio and everything like that, I can go do that separately, right? But this is the first part, and this is the part that I'll be focusing on pretty much for this hackathon and throughout this entire series here of me documenting this journey. All right. So what I'll do is I'll actually just take a photo of this, quick screenshot, just so I have it. Let's go back to relevance now. Again, keep that at optimized model. So type slash. So I can add a slash here, and that brings up a bunch of different options. I can add formatting, I can add prompting, variables, comments, guardrails, etc. I can add tools, tool placeholder, MCP, add triggers, tools, knowledge. So I didn't look at any tutorials or anything. I just decided to just jump straight in. I wonder if there's a way to prompt. Do they have an AI assistant that I can prompt in here and it'll just build this for me? Probably not. Okay, so you can use a webhook, tool trigger API, recurring daily, WhatsApp, 5,000 credits. Oh, these are premium triggers, okay. For this one, I'd probably use a time trigger because I would basically, my idea is to use this to make exam portfolio videos every day and then also marketing videos for my service. So if I could wake up every day or like have it start every day and then just give me like 2-3 videos, different projects to edit, I'm guessing at least I'll be able to get at least one of them done right away. And then the other two, I might need to go like do some tweaks or whatever, get new footage generated. But the point is it'll save me a lot of time, right? So I might do like a time trigger for this one. So for now, let me just put that there as a placeholder. I'll just do daily at 6 a.m. Instructions, generate a new video ad. Just keep continuing like that. Okay. So in that case, I'll probably need to feed it with at least like a spreadsheet or something where I compile a swipe file of items and then it can look inside of that spreadsheet and see, okay, this is the script I have to rewrite for the day, and then my manual work will involve actually finding good scripts to swipe. Okay, so we have a trigger in here. I have no tools yet. Let's see, add tools, Google Notes, perform Google search, extract and summarize website, extract website content, extract data from PDF, generate an image based on a text prompt. Okay, and optionally a reference image. Okay, so that I'll definitely be using that for sure. Analyze text sentiment. Let's see. How about rewrite? I guess that's not really a tool, is it? It's just a function of the LLM. Right. Yes. How do I just give it a normal prompt? Let's see. Yeah, okay. Write instructions. Oh, for tools, I can write. Oh, so this is just where I write the instructions. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll actually paste in a prompt I already been working on because I was going to build this in N8N. In fact, I already started building it in N8N, and I will continue to build it in N8N. But I wanted to also come here and try to build it in Relevance, just again to see if I can learn the platform, to see if it has any benefits over using N8N to build my agent, and then figure it out that way. So I already have an assistant that I was building here in I already have an assistant that I was building in the OpenAI dashboard. So what I'll do is I'll just grab the prompt from here, paste it in here, so long as prompt. But, oh no, this is the prompt for the actual script segmenter. So this one here takes the script and then it breaks it down already, right? Let me see, what's this? Markdown, so tools, reference, use, research process, use, perform Google search to find the latest. You know what? Maybe I'll build this prompt from scratch. Can I use slash tool, go ads API call, analytics API call, sheets? So I can do a sheets API call. I guess I'll have to connect my Google account, my Google Sheets account. Okay, let's do that. Connect instantly, continue. So we're successfully connected with Google Sheets, right? Use Google Sheets API call, TCP method, relative path, body, Google. So what can I really do? What can I use? Call to get the output from your last tool step will become your final result. Final output Google API call inputs. Edit the tool? Oh, edit the tool. I can edit the tool. Of course, the Google Sheets method, let agent decide. Let me go ahead and make a new sheet so I can get the ID. All right, let me see. Relevance agent source scripts. I'm gonna put swipe file. I'm gonna put source, and then I'm gonna put status, something like that. So the swipe file will go in here. I'll say where I got it, and then the status is either it's pending, or it'll be processed, or I'll say like rewritten already. Let's just say processed. So pending and processed, right? That'll be kind of the drop down. That'll be the two states. So let's say example script company B, or I'll say like FB ads library company B, right? Something like that. So this is what sheet will end up looking like. This will be the one I update daily. And what I'll do, I might even do an automation that I can like just chat to a WhatsApp or a Telegram chat, and then it'll go ahead and just fill these in for me. That's what I might end up doing. But anyway, I have the sheet ID right here now. So it says slash your sheet ID / values entity for the values range values A to B. All right, see, because it's 3. Again, I'm just figuring this out here. I don't really know. Let's do A1 to see. That body to send with this request. I don't really know. Let's set it manually. It should be a get because I want to get the thing. I'll let the agent decide, alright? To get the, let's close this. And I wonder if I can test the tool bit by bit, alright? Invent. Wait a minute, there is an AI tool that I can use. It's right here, invent. Hold up, let's see if I can, whoops, what did I do? Save tool, tools, prompt. Okay, got it. Use to get the latest swipe file pending. So based on how I've prompted it here, it should pull up example script 2, right? I think. Test. Let me just say run. All right. So that's pretty intuitive actually, because yeah, I mean, if you know make.com or anything, this is actually pretty intuitive. So let's see. AI video clone agent provide an update. The latest entry in the script file with the status pending is example script 2, source, FB ads library, company B, status pending. Let's take any action or need more details. Great. How well did your agent complete this task? 5 stars. Agent, you did a great job. All right. So cool. Now I'm starting to understand how Relevance actually works and how it is that I can actually set this up to do things for me, right? So that's number 1. It gets the script. Okay. Next, performance optimized model. This is okay. What I want to know is, hold up, rewrite the script, and I guess I can add a knowledge. I can add a knowledge base or something to reference, so it can rewrite the script in like the right tone and everything. Okay. Rewrite the script guidelines. So this is like basically a variable I haven't defined yet. So I need to define this. Not a variable, but like an object or something. Anyway, let me see. Tools, knowledge, get knowledge, guidelines. Okay, now we get to edit the tool again. Get knowledge. How tool is described to agent. Get data from knowledge without search. Knowledge. Upload knowledge. Import website. Add existing knowledge. Markdown / text. Script guidelines. Let's call it that. And I'm gonna say rewrite this script, but make it focused on selling a professional AI video ads to businesses. Continue. Add all to prompt. Choose how to use. Allow agent to search. Get this variable to use in your prompt. Script guidelines. Uploading. Get that. That's ready. Let us add another example. Let me see if I can actually grab a script. All right. So I've grabbed the script swipe here. And by the way, let me go ahead and set all of these to cut off. Source, Let's call our company C, and then let's say it's pending, and let's say processed. That one, okay? So I have this script here, told it to rewrite it, and yeah, let's test it. I'm gonna put default for both. These runs will use credits. Credit usage for individual test runs won't be visible at the agent level as runs performed here are not stored. You can view overall agent credit usage in plan billing. Okay, run default. Let's see what we have. So it's running, it's working. So far we only have 2 steps, right? Get the scripts, rewrite the scripts. Whoa. Okay. So it did that in 1 step. Okay, that was fast. Here's the latest pending script from the swipe file, original script. This is amazing. This is in your business, this is in your brand, this is in your message until now. What you're seeing, it's all created with next-gen AI video technology. Most people are using this to make fun clips, but I see something bigger. Businesses everywhere need high-quality AI. So again, I didn't really give it much hair in terms of the prompt. I'm just doing this to figure out how it works. Later on, I'm going to go and refine this prompt so that when it gives me this output, it has a lot more context and it knows exactly what I would say and why I would say it and what my business is, how my business operates, etc. So this is cool so far. This is very cool so far. I'm going to, let's see, what's the next step in our thing here? So we've got the script. First of all, I didn't even add script fetcher. First of all, hold up. Fetch the swipe file. Alright, so fetch the swipe file, rewrite the script. So we've done these 2 parts, right? Now it's the scene breakdown, and that's where that next prompt I have comes in. Break down the script based on these instructions. Then I'm going to go to the knowledge base, going to add another text file, and this is scene plan. So this will be the scene planner. Oops. Planner, and let me go ahead and see if I can. So this will be the scene planner here. I'm gonna paste in that prompt I had for the scene planner, and I'm gonna add it. Prompt, okay. Instructions, okay. All right. Next we have character generation, and then generate. So first of all, I need character prompt to act out the character image, headshot style image with a clear face. Then I'm going to do this, and I'm going to go generate image. Let's remove this. Let's do image kit, text to image generation. Let's edit this. So can I change the model? The model to use for image generation. Great. So I can actually Nano Banana is right here. Dream 4. All of that. Let's use Nano Banana. Continue, because that's what I've been using. Extra options. Let's delete this. Knowledge tools. Use your prompt to generate the character here, and then I'm going to upload the character. Write 5 image prompts that describe different scenes for the script. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps so far. And again, I'm just doing this in a very crude, quick fashion to try to get it done in a basic form. And then I'll continue to refine it and edit it and like work on it so that it just does a better job each time, right? So I have these steps, and now generate each of the scene images. Just ensure the prompts. Guess I can just do tools, text to image generator. Can I duplicate? Can I add another tool? Let's go back to tools. So that's character image. So I'm learning this platform as I go along here. Character image. And let's go scene images. Save that. Go back to tools, and then I'm gonna come in here and I'm going to let the agent decide, and then I'm gonna use the model that I need to use, Nano Banana. Let's do this. No, I'm just gonna let the agent decide that. Okay, so now that I've added all these steps, let's test it out and see if it actually works. So we're going to test the agent. Everything is default, and let's just do run. So basically what we should end up with is one character image. Well, what we should end up with is a rewritten script from the sheet. Well, a script from the sheet, a rewrite of that script, the character image, the scene images, and then the scene images. I forgot to put the tool, okay? And then the scene images. So let's see if we can just get that going, okay? Let's do it. All right, so AI clone video agent is working. There was a connection timeout when trying to retrieve the latest pending, and this something happened due to network or server issues. Would you like to try again? Network issue. See, agent is working. This time it looks like it worked. Google. So what is it doing right now? It just pulled the sheet. It got the script, so it should be rewriting the script right now, right? Well, actually, it's already on the photos. It did the character image. Can I see? Cost. That's the character it came up with. Cool. What I'll add, I'll probably add a step to have it save all the images into a folder in Google Drive. And that will be the folder that's synced to my laptop so that when I wake up in the morning. So basically, if this starts doing this at like 5 a.m., by the time I wake up at like 6 or 7, and I come to my desktop, I should have a folder with at least as it is right now, a folder with at least just the images on it, right? Could be, as I build it out more, I want to have it do the videos as well. But yeah, let's see. Okay. So you can see it give my character that consistency. What did it place? Same professional business consultant. Modern tech office of glasses, walls, and da 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 da. Okay, you can see the image prompt here. Okay. User key used false. So I can use my own API key if I want then. That makes sense. Scene image 1, 2, 3, 4. That was only 4 though. Let's see. Okay, these scenes are really. That's better, but that's a different character though. Different character. You can see the hair. He has short hair. That's the same character. That's the same character. That's a different character. That's the same character. So okay, it's not always. And again, this is just a very preliminary version of this that I'm building here, but so far it's working. I would say. Here's your complete package for a professional AI generated video ad campaign, character headshot for all scenes. Then you have confident expression, image. You give me the image. Most people see give me everything. So that's great actually. So in this form already, we've already gotten our agent to generate all the scene images for the video, give us the breakdown. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't see that one up there. So it did do all 5. Okay, so that's the 5th one, clearly. Hold up. What am I doing? That's the number 4, right? Number 3, number 2, and number 1. Okay. And it was pretty consistent apart from this one. This one was a misgeneration. You can always just redo that one manually. Obviously, when I get up, I can just do that, rerun the prompt by myself, and then continue, and my videos will be done, right? So yeah, that's beautiful. I'm really happy with what we have so far. The vision is coming together. For now, I think I will leave it at that because otherwise this video will get too long. But thank you for tuning in and watching and coming on this journey with me. In the next episode, I will be continuing to refine this and adding more features, adding more specificity in the prompt, building up the knowledge base even more, tweaking the tools to be very specific, and then I'm going to figure out how exactly I want to trigger it. If I can add Let's see. There's over 1,000 triggers I can use, huh? What if I add Telegram? Premium trigger. Oh, it's a premium trigger. Where are the normal triggers? How do I just... Okay, see more. All triggers. Gmail. Let's see. Because I could always... even if I don't want to use a premium trigger, I can always use like a Gmail trigger and then just create an N8N bot, a Telegram bot in N8N to send that email that triggers the thing or whatever, you know. But that is for a later episode. But anyway, in the next episode, I will hopefully finish the basic structure so that all the tweaks I have to do from then on will just be the prompting and making sure that the files are stored in the correct place. But hopefully you should get to see me at least put together a full ad using this agent. And yeah, again, we'll just keep refining it from there, and hopefully I'll be able to publish this agent to the marketplace by the end of this week so that I can start racking up marketplace clones and downloads and stuff, because I need to save time for that. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and you already know it's Workflow Chairman.
Workflow Chairman's here to light up your business. Yeah, each week new tips for content making and working with AI. Don't worry, we'll make it easy. We'll break it down neatly. You don't want to miss it, so make sure like and subscribe. Workflow Chairman.